Alrighty guys, let's go. Welcome to the live stream today. I will say, try to bear with me a little bit here. I'm a little bit sick this morning, but looking good so far. 407.50 is a big support here on the SPY. So make sure you're keeping your eye on the SPY today as it's sitting right on this support. We bounced 2 times yesterday, right around this support. Even last Friday had multiple bounces right here off of 407.50. So we need to keep this level on watch. If we do end up falling through there, I think it's a bigger opportunity for a pullback to the downside. And honestly, I'll just say it now. I think that downwards momentum is going to be the way to go. Whether you're looking at AMD, whether you're looking at Nvidia, whether you're looking at Apple, I think they're all going to be nice downwards moves eventually here in the short term. Now, right at open, oh, you know, they might come up and test resistance or something, but watch them as the day goes. I think that we'll end up going a little bit redder, and I think some of these big supports breaking here is just not what you want to see at all. You know, like some of these big supports breaking is just not good. There's a lot of technical setups in the market right now, pointing off to the downside as well. But for the most part, the main thing I'm seeing is these big tech stocks kind of just pointing down here. I wonder how GLD is doing this morning. It looks like they're kind of holding up, bouncing off that 188 level. Going over to the book map here on our good friends Tesla. Oh, excuse me, guys. Hang on. Told you I was sick. But yeah, Tesla sitting here this morning kind of like right around 190, just, you know, kind of doing its thing down here. I'm really watching Tesla, though. It's one of the bigger stocks that I'm always watching here, of course. So looks like 188 is a big level here on Tesla to the downside, even 189. See if they have any other levels here. Maybe 185 as well. Yeah, some of these levels here on Tesla are pretty big. 185 has a humongous support down there. Oh, this is kind of weird, though. Hey, I will say, though, guys, throw out your Masters picks here in the comments down below. Let me know who you guys think is going to win the Masters. Me and my dad were talking about it last night. A little bit. Always like the Masters. You know, it's a fun tournament. All right, Tesla on the book map. Let's get up there to 191. Let's get higher. Come on now. That'd be beautiful, but I don't know. I'm still kind of feeling like we're going to sell off today. Yeah, see, like AMD's coming back up to test resistance. It's like, all right, come back up and test it, but I still think it's going to end up falling back over here sometime soon. Xbox says AMD expectations today. So expectations on AMD here. I'm kind of looking at these big supports from last week or a couple weeks ago. Looks like there is a big support right around the low of day today, right around 94. So I'm not surprised to see AMD bounce there. That's had a lot of bounces, especially last Tuesday. So keep that on the radar. $94 here. Where do I expect it? I kind of expect it to stay in this range for a little bit here between these two supports and resistance. And then I think we're going to end up falling down to 93 and even lower to 92.50. So I think that we could get pretty low today, but I don't know. That's just my own thinking. It could happen later in the day, and you know, who knows? I could be wrong. I'm not just going to get into puts, though, randomly or anything like that. I'm going to really wait for some big moves to the downside. And hey, good morning, Mike. Thanks for joining up, Jamie. Cerule. What's this name? Sup a Trick? What's up? I'll just call you Sup or Trick. Manny, Ant, Xbox, Juicy Mango. Appreciate you guys, of course, Mike. Seriously appreciate you. Sorry, maybe I'm being dumb, but Sup, I'll say it right now. I'm sorry, I can't pronounce things good to save my life, so I don't know what I should call you, but we'll see you soon. $24 here on AI, not bad. Definitely not bad. PLUG falling off. Look at Plug. A big drop, just like yesterday. Exact same type of move down. Neo hitting off that big resistance there around 930 to 920, falling down lower, all the way down to $9 today. What's happening? Scared. Scared to go look at DraftKings. Ah, DraftKings, no. What are you doing? Come on. So McDonald's is still doing good. FedEx is doing okay. So some stocks are doing better than others, of course. Per usual. AMD, though, is looking rough now. We start falling under this big support here. You better watch it. I think it could go quite a bit lower, but hey, I do appreciate each and every one of you guys joining up on the live stream today. I really do appreciate you. Xbox placed an order at $90 on Disney, and watch AMD get to $90.01. I know, Xbox. That's how it is, right? It'll like skip you on the uptrend. Terrible. DIS here. Yeah, Disney's really looking rough. You know, I'm looking to get some calls on Disney, but I'm not going to get them with this market looking like this right now. Definitely not. SOXS, man, he says to check out. SOXS, I'll check it. SOXS up to 1840. That's actually a huge, huge run to the upside, but yeah, pretty good. Pretty good. And hey, I really do appreciate you guys joining. I do. If you guys are enjoying yourself, smash that like button. Like I said, I'm a little bit sick today. So I will probably end up, you know, getting off a little bit sooner today, just as a warning. So keep that in mind. Sean says, happy Masters Week. This is like the Super Bowl for me. I know, right? Man, I'm thinking this weekend, I think my big pick is Scheffler again. And then I'm going to be having Homa. Scheffler and Homa. I kind of think those two guys are pretty good. I know everyone talks about Scheffler, of course. Homa, I think, is one of the good players who's like up there around the top, but you know, might have a chance to win. Who hasn't really done it before, so that would be a cool one. He won like the Masters. He might be his first major ever. Yeah, Spacely, smash that like button. I really do appreciate you guys. I do. Thanks for joining up, and thank you, Spacely, for saying that. Yeah, SOXS is on fire with some of these tech stocks falling off. Jeez. Nvidia and AMD are looking terrible here. AMD looks pretty rough. Can't lie about that one, but whew, what a move. What a move and drop. Yeah, Sean's first bet was Kepka top 10. That's a pretty good one, I'd say. I don't know. Kepka, sometimes he falls apart. Sometimes, you know, it just depends. But he is hot right now, so that's the good thing. That is the good thing with him. I will say, I thought Kepka was going to do a little bit better on the Live Tour. Wow, so even Brennan Grace has been doing pretty good in Live. But all right, guys, I do have to get going. I'm sorry. I am pretty bad today. This is definitely a one of those days where it's like, oh my gosh, the allergies or something, and it's storming here at the house. So sorry to have to do that, guys. But my head is just going insane. I can't really concentrate, and you know, I don't really want to, you know, waste anyone's time or anything like that with, you know, some half sick guy here. So I appreciate you guys. Sean says Liv is more talented than they look. Yeah, I agree, Sean. I mean, it's just because they don't get a lot of media coverage, you know. That's or at least not on like the big medias. But yeah, thank you guys for joining up. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Like I said, sorry for getting off so quick, but you know, I figured I'd join up and talk about some of the bigger stocks in the market and stuff like that. Some of my favorite plays moving. Seriously, keep AMD on the radar. I think it's still a good play down as the day goes on. So Keep your eye on that. Sorry, guys. I will talk to you later. Have a great rest of your day. And hey, I hope we all have some profits today. Come on, let's have a nice profitable Tuesday. Should be a fun one here. A nice profitable Wednesday, I should say. Wednesday. Let's have a fun one, guys. And I'll try. I appreciate that, guys. I'll try to feel better. Thank you, Xbox. Yeah, plenty of fluids. I will definitely be downing some water right after this. So have a good one, guys. Talk to you later.